Vani, I'm sorry. Can't take your advice. Me have to go take advice from one woman when me know no love, no man, have man. Me can't take advice from somebody who sell pussy. We're not the same. So, you couldn't advise me. I'm sorry. No, but that's true. Guys, the phone dead. So me can't if you not follow that page, I follow it. Me don't know if them people at the, you don't know me not afraid of nobody. Share me expect better from you. Can you know if me did unfollow you, sweetheart? Me just say, of course, me unfollow you, girl. Me only even come in your DM. But me never did follow you. Me not have nothing else to prove to you. You're supposed to get unfollow. Because you're a hypocrite. And most of over you're a hypocrite. Me attack TikTok people. Because when song are run out, everybody are done for me. Me not see nobody run out. And as soon as K go into the studio, K should not answer, K should not this, K should not that. Oh, cause K a pussy. She not rate me. She show it clear and she want vex about it. You not rate me, girl. You not rate me for true. So all if me the unfollow you shouldn't even come talk about it. Cause you done show your hand already, girl. You should know a cuss about it or talk about it. You show the whole world saying you not rate me, girl. So if me unfollow you, you shouldn't even make it be something so you come talk about. In a real life, she didn't really rate nobody enough for too long, you know. But in a real life, she, with all of what you did, you really believe, say, if me did unfollow you, you would not deserve it? Girl, you deserve it for true. But me not do it, so I'm not going to tell a lie for myself. And you can't charge me. And you can't do me no for say, for tell a lie for myself. But if I was following you, and I unfollow you, you would have deserved it. Because you play one big hypocrite role. For a girl who always say you cheer for me, what the world used to see you cheer for me, they did not expect that the bring down where you're going with. Because in your head you not do not bring down, but you do bring down, girl. And you promote the song, and then you not turn it over upon me like me have a problem. When me use mind game pan blood clot, you know, I three things me say when me I go up in our box, you know, me say what me I go do? Me I go fuck up a place. Cause 10 of the night say nah fuck Shauna. Shauna come in and me DM and I go like she nah fuck 10. And me did want hear if she did I go done me when me that say yo Shauna pussy free like breeze. And everything just play out right how me expect it. Yeah, man. You know, say the next morning, Shauna could have post say, yeah, and my mother-in-law said this. Me say, fuck how no. A easy drought. That's why when me dey in the box, me did so calm. All of a sudden, you hear some bothered. No. Uno hate when girls stand on business. Uno hate when girls strong. And the worst thing a girl could have ever do, or anybody at all, want play a mind game for you when you're 10 steps ahead of them. When you're 10 steps, me look like a mother one here. Blood clotty ear. Me want my hat there. My ear want wet up. So all in all, no head me a crash out and this and that. I uno me show up. Cause remember say no. Uno say a controversy selling no. Uno say a controversy and it's just music. But as soon as me come up in the box, I could have make one post. And my mother-in-law say, and then all of a sudden, no, you and 10 lovey-dovey. But at the couple days before that when me and 10 talk, Then I say, yo, music, me and the woman not there. But then all of a sudden, no there. Me can't bother. So me just make everybody play out them on. Easy, like 1, 2, 3. That's it. Enough to have your girl and shame her. Me now, if you wanna charge, everybody play out them on. Shay play out her on. 10 play out him on. Don't surprise. I'm gonna say this brawling. Don't surprise. You see, I be a diss track start saying. You understand? You so say 10 go write one song for Shauna and Shauna come diss me. Cause we know how it go. We know the man them get bitter. Don't tell me say I shouldn't answer. None of you can tell me that. Because I done answer already. I done answer already. No go like me a girl under somehow know the fuck. All I know is say I shouldn't answer no a hypocrite. All I know. Everybody will come and say, me that look for Caan no answer. Why the fuck me no answer? Why me no answer? When me see everybody a capitalize off of me, why the fuck me no answer? The moment, I'm telling you something about TikTok. The moment something happen over this blood clot, you keep your mouth shut. And you know I come talk about silence is the key, is not for Jamaicans. Silence is not the key for Jamaicans. Fuck uno. Call this a crash out if you no want. Silence is not the key. The moment you go silent with any situation, your blood clot as a Jamaican, them all say you get soft. Shay can't always class. Me no business about Shay them. Me and Shay not supposed to argue. Shay just feel like Shay know she a hypocrite and she feel bad about it. Cause where you go class me and say? Me say she come over here a while ago and say shame. Shame my when me and the man in there. Make it make sense. When you hear him come talk, say, when him dead, I wait for me, I have money in my house. Eh? Me need to go save my pussy. Save it for what? You never hear him today come talk. Can me see it? Allow no a blood clot tell me now. I want no pussy. For nobody. If you come back, you hold pussy when you have hopes. She just hurt right now because it play out so she a hypocrite. And the argument. A long time she want to cuss me, you know. That's why she keep on and bring up the black something there. Black something there. We done say, you're a hypocrite. Shay, you're a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. You're a hypocrite. Go look for my file. Go read out my file. And all the way you want to do. You're a hypocrite. Me not take it back. And the argument done. Who the fuck is you? Blood clot. Same level. Me know for answer. She not go answer. Silence is not the best blood clot answer for me. That is not me. Oh no can't tell me for silent. It does something to me when you know tell me for silent. Silent for what? When everybody's playing a game, why shouldn't I join and play too? You fuck for know the game I go play. Me not rest till when me feel like for rest. Me not done till when me feel like for done. Cause the same pussy all them where you see a talk about. Okay, you shouldn't say nothing now. You should have this and you should. No move on a dirty blood clot. It all I know me see I make video today I come talk about. Okay, me not tell you should have ignore no dirty blood. You know I ignore nothing on my phone yard. You know I ignore boy. Nothing act like when you left a blood clot boy. And you see him come style you. He make a woman 10 times eat him. Remember saying your man style you know you act on your extra style you burn you. And you all I know a woman and you know how me attack so stop tell blood clot lie. Remember saying a girl try style me and me own extra style. Yo, when you're done with your blood clot ex and them come back on style you want to call on them phone and say big pussy boy. And you want this them, what make you think woman and let's come over here, come crash out and done the boy them? No woman no want their extra style them. And them don't change it from music. They been change it from music. Shay and them don't change it from music and make it become personal. Like a big style. Why everybody, if I never style, why everybody wake up and I make video? Why Kim could I make a video and say, you come over here, come humiliate your wife? Why me wake up to 500 and add message and say, okay, hold on, cause that never did call for this, that. It was you know what you were doing, 10. Rochelle not even belonging at this. They not even make no sense to call her name. You know what you were doing. Everybody saw it. See, you look at jingle blood clap bell where you come with all to their foolishness. Because that no shape me or that no move me. Remember, you know for act. And the only reason why you come out today, come do that video there. Remember, me know you. Nobody knows you like me. It's because when you're looking at the comment section, the people, them are done you. And I say, I can't care this him a deal with. You see, I'll comment when people say, me is not a fan of blood clot care, but what him a do him wrong. I true, you know TikTok go. The only reason he came out today and make that blood clot video is because him sister the people them have done him and him don't want the traction come off of the song. Remember me there with him for 3 years. Me know him like he back on me blood clot and I shame him. And to him sister the people them have beat him. Say yo, you're wrong for that. Because you could have did a song and all of them something there. But you come out for style me. Yesterday, you did come out hard and strong for just style me. You're not to talk about a big pussy argument. Loud that alone, 10 points. Because guess what? It's just a stain when now go away. And yes, I admit I shouldn't send it to nobody, but I don't send it out already. But you know what you do? To your sister, the people them are run with big pussy, you start sing about Shauna pussy tight. What you try do? So why you come make it up today? You never did say nothing about it. Sing about Shauna tight pussy and make my one stay big. Me no need no validation from your pussy. Cause suck your mother 10 points. Brawling. I'ma tell you that 300,000,000 times. I'ma tell you again. Me no need you to come validate nothing for me. You want big bumble. You never did for come out come. You deliberately use the you apologize about the big old argument, but you deliberately are rub it in. You no need to apologize. Love me with my big old. Why you did that fuck for 3 years? Ivan, go suck your mother and I send me no request. Go sell pussy in a girl and I sell pussy night. And the blood clot there. Sure. You can't come with no mind game. You can't use no mind game for me. So that big mind game something there, you don't want to lose traction to the song. And that's why you come out here today and make video. Yo, me and Caan and everybody knows him is a great fucking woman. Everybody pan this. No matter how them hate me, them can tell us one thing about okay. When she love for true. And me show you that pussy. Me show you brawling. You not have to tell me say me is a great blood clot woman. The world knows say me is a great woman. Cause if it weird right now, if you find a blood clot girl when I go fuck by you with all like fuck problem them what you get. You're not gonna find back blood clot that. Me there with you when you're broke. Me there with you when you have money. Me there with you when we don't have nothing for blood clot name. Me there with you when we don't have no money enough to give it do nothing. I'm still blood clot still. I'm a DM full of man. I'm never blood clot fuck by you. Me there on this ask people. And boy send money in my cash app. $500. Me never forget today with over your son. A boy send $500 we don't know me can give me and say buy lunch. Cause you deserve real love. And I write us some stay and send back the boy in blood clot $500 and I say, pussy, me no want no money from no man cause you can't style my man. Cause you never go send no $500 come give me and talk about say come buy me lunch cause my man broke. The fuck do you know? So you not have to come tell nobody say me is a great woman. My blood clot know that. What make me and all of my ex then good? You think because of pussy? You think because of fuck? I how me treat them? Because me have a son and me have pitney and me tell myself I'm not treat nobody bad. Me rather walk off from a boy more than treat him bad. Because me can't tell a blood clot girl this. You know not go come treat Kingston bad. Oh? So me not treat people bad. Me know say me no want you, me go leave you alone. Me nah go treat you bad. So me's a great woman. I know the first you say it. We know this. But quit your mind game. Because nobody no fall for it. Just like how nobody never fall for your crash out. Nobody never fall for your crash out. You come and you say me did have money in my house. And you tell the people them about money in my house. Nobody never see me with a man from me and you left. Nobody don't even, the voice them or the people them hear, them don't even know if it's a man or a woman, because you can hardly hear the people them. And you come turn over back all those for me. Because me they've been left you alone. And you come highlight it about man in a house. So don't come out and now come act like say me a trouble you. When you know sir you are shade me. Because I'm going to tell you what's really going on. 10 came out and crash out. Because I'm hear a man in my house. And 10 just then one big dirty revenge mood now. For me crash out back. That's all he wants. He want me for just and Tenpoint this and this and that. That's all he wants. That's why I juke me under my blood clot skin. So that's why I do everything in my face. Because he's trying to trigger me. And you see, instead of make him trigger me, just go in a blood clot studio, go do what them do. Think me a idiot. And I like one time, me bigger than no blood clot mind game where all I try play for me. And energy we are much over here. You do the song for sure, be a word for me. And the only thing you could have find out where you try to apologize about. If the world have Shauna as a mock, you all want to sing about pussy tight. You know say? And the only reason you do that, because maybe Shauna pussy tight for true, but the only reason why you are do it, because you use the big old thing for try class me. And me I try bring down. So when you come back over here, come talk about, and it was a voice that they should have said. It was a personal argument. And she telling me worse. Go suck your mother. You run with where you see them I use bring me down pan the app. You run with where you see them I try bring me down, but then you try come sugarcoat it. Go suck your mother. But you see tomorrow when I wake up, everybody are gonna say, oh, she a mad out. I'm not mad out, I'm a truth. And the whole on know so true me attack. You know go like you know a blood clot mind game. You think 10 never did know say it's a possibility me be like me drop a song here and K1 and I look, you know. So we have to go make somebody run with the song and then go find press button share. Think about what me I say to you, man. It's a possibility we're not getting a reaction. So we have to go wake up the internet. If you can remember, the first thing he said before he put Shauna in the video was, you want we fuck up the app, member say controversy sell. Saying go for press button share. We say she get paid. If go through the song inch by inch, little by little, yard by yard, big by big, fuck by fuck, grab by grab, kiss by kiss, bite by lip. She do the whole block. You don't think she right it? And if you look in that comment section, the only person they were talking about was me. Kaya dead, Kaya this, Kaya that, Kaya bliss, K, blood clad K. If 10 willing for talk the truth, a couple weeks ago, I laugh and I trouble him and I say, blood clot, dirty boy, I fuck Shauna. Laughing. So he knew fucking Shauna, it was nothing to me. So what him do? Him sit down and him think about it. And him say, you know, blood clot come back to me after you make me crash out. Oh, no, what go on, you know. You see, Scorpio, man, sting different. That's why I never take back a Scorpio. If you want Scorpio, don't blood clot look me. When 10 members say, I'm in company, blood clot, internet come ball and do song, and me still not come home and say, hey, girl, me I go lick you. And what them a done her with? Oh, them a done you with a big old vice note. Alright, me I go counteract it, blood clot. And he did just that. 10 is very revengeful. I remember, so the song out and I not say nothing. 2-3 days pass and I not say nothing. At the third day now, I come say, I want to know when I fix up my house. And I say, I want to know. I'm start talk. I go in a share box just for draw them out. Because I remember saying I deny it, and Shauna deny it, and this and that and re. So I just draw them out. I make everybody show them on, including Shay. Shay show her on, so she a hypocrite. Shauna show say she a fuck 10. 10 show say in my blood clot sneak this me. You all played in my hand. Just the way I wanted it to go. Checkmate. The fuck? I'ma say don't surprise. On the ear one big diss track. And on the ear Shauna start talk beer things. Cause it wouldn't be the first time Tenpoint chat me. But you know what, 10? I will never come back to you. You don't deserve me. And I'm so happy. The day I go to England, I'm gonna wipe you out of my brain. And you know what's so fucked up, bruh? I left you when I was still in love with you. I left you when I was still in love with you, and that was the hardest thing to do. But when we go England, I'ma never have no nice. I'ma never have no friend. I'ma just have the room. I'ma family them. I pass one day, I'm looking at a glass. I'ma say, how that? Like me see back myself when I never see for a long time. I'ma say, is that K? Hi K. And then me did want to see more of K. And then me start see K every day. Till when Paris them time for Paris them go home. And me say, uno go on home left me. I'm working on me. And I stayed in England for an extra month. And I worked on me. And I found me. And I fell in love with me again. And in order for me to love me again, I had to stop loving you. Because if we should really check this ratio on this fucking app, all the bring down I get is because of you. All the enemies that I gain is because of you. They hate me for you. I'ma prove that to myself. Because when we broke up, nobody messed with K anymore. They hate me for you. Your family hate me for you. Your friends hate me for you. The internet hate me for you. Till me start hate myself for you. Now that's a motherfucking problem. You guys can call this crash out or anything you want to talk about, call it. But you know what you can never take away from me? I'm a raw fucking truth. When you're in one situation where you start hate yourself for there, so go, bitch. Leave. I'm know enough woman over here so can relate. Me I got always and forever talk my truth. And I did what I had to do. And if you're willing to talk the blood clot truth, when me left me put on back my weight, me stay in England and me get back tick up. And I glowed ever since. Nobody can ever say K fall off from she and 10 left. Me glow on the blood clot. And the man, mama said this, the man that I found after you was so motherfucking good to me. The only thing I never mind, man, And we'd have to just low it alone. Because I don't really like people, man. But he was so good to me. Oh, Rochelle, come here. I have to carry you right here, so now. Come here, Rochelle. Carrot, you may talk to. I didn't have to move out anything out of foreign house for Carrigal, Jamaica. The Monday when I there with after 10, he bought me everything. Oh, in my living room, I him buy everything. Remember, so I did have my two local something them. I did have my couch already, and I did have two of the local silver stand. You remember them? They're from the old house, right? The man come, the table in my house at $275,000 feet, and I get it for my Mother's Day present. He didn't just buy that. He spent $680,000 upon me for Mother's Day. Me get my TV, me get my lamp, then me get my $680,000 for Mother's Day. Just for Mother's Day. I remember saying me and a dibby girl, so me never want no wig and no blood clot handbag and no matching suit. Me ask for good things, cause me like good blood clot house. Me never have to move out nothing from foreign car down here. Don't get this twisted, bitch. The only thing me come a foreign come take up are things that me order for Amazon for decorate blood clot house. At $680,000 the man spend. Me buy a brand new blood clot 75-inch from wall. For Mother's Day, my two side table them. That little vase the way you sit on my dining table, that vase alone is $20,000. So we can go down the mats. Don't fucking do that, bitch. I never play about my house. I say I'm not gonna answer you, because I don't want to answer you with nothing else. But don't tell the lie there. I stop telling lies I'm owe a mortgage, girl. Show the receipts I'm owe a mortgage. Show the receipts I'm owe a mortgage. I go suck your mother. You see this morning you wake up, I feel like I'm crying. You're wicked. The world starts seeing for who you really is. So you're one little liar, wicked girl. My house ever clean. When people come at my house, ask Pops YG, where am there? One day my beg Pops drop my home. And him drop my home because my battery need to start for my fucking car. You see when Pops enter in my house? Can they think him live there now? I say, Pops, open the grill for me and I give him the key. I think say Pops I go turn back. Pops walk past me and go into the house, guys. Sit down, ear Pops to me. How much you pay for that Airbnb, yeah? I say, Pops, this is not an Airbnb, this is my home. Pops, what I mean by that? I say, no, it's not an Airbnb. Okay, to all this decorator, Airbnb this. I say, Pops, this is not Airbnb, this is my home. You know how Pops believe me, say, my house? Just dream to Kingston and Paris picture in there. He am ranty there, you pitney them that. So, okay, I say you could have fixed us. Just imagine Pops voice, I said that. I said, Pops, hurry up and come out. Just go on. And Pops walk around and tour, you know. And when him go in and care, him say, in your house bad. Ask him when you don't see him. Me no play about house. Me no beg blood clad fuck and wig and clothes. Them that least are my problem. The next man when me I take up, me want him buy me a house. And me want him give me some money for spin, so me can spin and buy a house for me and buy back something for him. And that me want. Me no ask the dibby things like, oh no, a $680,000 the boy spend for my blood. Hey, big up that boy there. I'll do me you deserve a fuck again. Cause you did fuck me good too. Mwah. You're one of them boy that would I get back a fuck back if me single, but if me have my man, me not fuck you no boy. Seven stab. You're crazy. My like boy come in a girl life and spend your money upon them. I'm not telling a lie, guys. I have to tell you everything. Because we not want no secret. I'm not telling a lie. That boy that pay me rent. I tell you that boy that do for me. I love that boy there, you know. I love that boy. I say, I sit down over England and I say, Father God, I need some financial help. And the boy just can't spoil it for me. When I look, I see the boy just get up one day and say, I send her some money for pay off some money for Paris school tuition. But so you see that night when the boy make me pay off blood clot Paris school tuition, if I could have go up me head tap, I fuck the life out of the boy. Fuck it all time. And when him done, him say, Case, I make you fuck me so myself in my daughter's school fee. Me did happy. And some money make you happy and you give back good fuck. And I me a tell. Guys, a 4 round my game. I'm a combo 6 times. And I mean the whole of them. You see when Armani say, love it when you ride and bungs. And the whole of that Beer Javinci sang me a fuck to till me change the Dexter Dab. So no, I'm going with a pizza session and you want. Hey, me say the boy said to me, say, Case, I want to make you fuck my life out of me, so. I say, yo, me man. You see, anybody will support my pitney them, my pussy can't run, man. Yeah, what do you want? That fuck that is nice, though. Anybody want to kiss them teeth, no fun or fuck for free. I want if free fuck me give away now. So you when me find out man who I do all of the things them for me, me not tell no lie, him deserve pussy. Me did really, really like him though. But when me see say, bumper clot of people man, I'm not gonna ever get him for myself, me start make be a problem. The boy say him can't manage with the problem. Cause me not go bill. But every time I looking at my house, my members say him. Every time nobody come at my house, them say, oh God, I'm so in love with your table. Your house just nice. So Rochelle, no, nothing never move. I'm a big hole do that. I'm a big hole do it. Rochelle, come here. Is not nothing move out of foreign. You see that big pussy here? It make in my house look so good. Cause the boy them like fuck that big pussy here. Thank you. The fuck? Can check your money to Rochelle. If a table at 275,000, $20,000 fee for me center me thing for my table. I buy the 2 valves. Remember the big arcade them, one of them drop and broke. The arcade them was 50,000. We still a check what we reach now, right? 50,000 for the 2 arcade them, 25,000 now one fee arcade them. The big arcade where you see in my house. Me get the 2 side table them. Right now, man? The 2 side table them. Me no remember how much for them. You know some more than that the boy spend? You know, so Shan tell me say a blood clot $1 million boy spend. Come again now. So the arcade them. So gone 275,000. Gone 20,000 upon the something there. The 2 arcade them was 50,000. Right? So 20 odd. So put it about 25. So when I put that 25, that's 300,000. 350,000. 350,000 now. 50,000 for the 2 arcade. The 2 nightstand them, the 2 glass nightstand, the 2 local drawer where you see me put them in something, those were 70,000 for both of them. Come again. You see the big long clock something I have in my house? The big clock something, I pay 45,000 feet. And the reason I pay 45,000 feet are because one little crack did up on it because the man did want sell me it for 60 grand. And we show him a part of crack. And him say I give me it for 45,000. I pay 1,500 US. Count that in a Jamaican money. 1,500 US for the TV. Tell me how much money you wanna reach. Come now. 1,500 US for the TV now. Add that. We past 600,000. Shan tell me what do you know? And all of that me get for my Mother's Day. 240 plus them there. Yeah, the money gone 700,000. I not ask her. So Rochelle, hope you can do the maths there. And when me reach a Jamaica, me I go show her. No. That are just the Mother's Day. I pay my rent right through. And my bills them. Me never pay a rent at another house there till September. September the 1st, me ever pay rent in another house there. So sometimes we will fuck some blood clot broke boy. You have to take it as a invitation when girls stay with you and love enough for blood clot real. Cause you have some real boy out here who want to spend real money upon blood clot girl. Oh, a boy, if you take it as an invitation, when you're broke, you know you can't take care of bumbo clock, girl, you used to things. And girl, stay with someone, you know. Yeah. Because you have some real blood clot boy out there where we spend money. In all of my blood clot, like, I won't never spend so much money on Mother's Day. You know, me used to up your Gucci bag, Louis bag, and them blood clot something there. And that boy give you foreign, no? That boy, yeah. Right now, any new boy will come, I want one coach, I want to change that one day. I see one nice fluffy one. A new coach, I see, at 700,000 feet. The woman says she can't give me for 650. She body say, but anyway, a new boy will want me. The coach them want. My coach not really done. So me not in no ES, but that it me want next. Me want change my coach. I like nice things. I like also. Somebody say simple for me. Just I tell you, just buy me. I just want a coach, you know. My 95 money I go work. Yeah, me, that's enough for want me. Anybody want to talk about the money, you know for want me. Come here tell you what I want. Cause guess I know, when you give me them all of them nice things that one thing you're sure about a woman when I go fuck on you. Cause I tell you this, you know, no matter what the whole relationship where me I come from, where they fuck on me, you know, that can't change me, you know. You see, if you rate me, I go always rate your blood clot back. I saw me live my life. Me nah make no boy, make me treat no bad boy bad. I just the truth. For you there with a man who rate you and I give you for dead. Me African put up one look at you comes run one part. For any day you come to me and say, babes, you know, some man there with man and man spend millions pounds and you can't even buy them gas. Them birthday come and not even remember them. When me get them good boy, they will spend their money upon me. I text message boy, I get on phone and say, make sure say you're available that time because we are fly out. As some deal with boy will deal with me good. That's why I can always say my mind man, because over the time of living, me always have man will give me things. And you see once man give me things, me supposed to give back man things. If fair enough, you can't just spend your money upon me and me can't save something out of it to spend back upon you. So if that a mind man, fuck it, me a mind man. But you know which set of man me eat? It's sweetie blood clot chop them. Well, every time you want like your blood clot, sorry, you never can gigi. If you want, you have to can gigi. You can't just want. We want gigi. And I always a broke blood clot boy have a good old. When you ask yourself day in day out, what the fuck me I do your son, him can't do nothing for me. So Rochelle, when you talk about furniture, come good. Don't do that. You can't talk about anything else you want to talk about me, but not that. And second of all, everybody know to America run if you ever owe your mortgage 2 months, the bank will call you. Bad to bad, girl. Go make your friend get the receipt from it. I'm gonna tell you something. I repeat this. Any bill that I owe in the United States of America, I am not paying it if I cannot afford it. It is going to go to collections. And when it stay in collections, the money go down. And when the money go down where we can pay it, I pay it. Thank you. America really don't run you down for pay all of your bills them. And that me like with them. So the only bill me not owe in a foreign. Me try if I not owe rent and them something there, but me definitely not owe light, electric and heat. Me never ever owe them bill there because then something that's serious something. It don't make no sense. And worst thing could have ever happened to you. Years ago. Paris called me one time when she licked and said, Mom, we don't have electric. I'm going to tell myself that will never happen again. Them time the Paris about 6. You understand? So, them bills they for always pay, bad to bad. But any little phone blood clot bill and some little bill where you take out to some place, me not pay it till you go in a collection. Who forget it from? Right now, Capital One want carry me go to court. And when I go to court, I go drop down and say, I don't have it. I have serious back pain. Send me over collections. When collections go years by years, the money goes down. When I reach out, I come to say my back hurt me. And this is what I can do in America after a while you file bankruptcy. This is America. You live free. You have to know how to live in a foreign. The amount of money foreign get over out of me. Listen, if me have a collection for pay right now, and if I choose between Dubai and a collection, me I go to Dubai. A collection I go stay. And that to do no know. All in the damage your credit. This is why. Let me tell you something. Credit may mean a lot to Uno. Credit don't mean a lot to me again. Remember, so the only reason why me they want good credit that you can go take out house. I buy my house already. Right? This is what me say now. I buy my house already. I give a football credit right now. I just the truth. It can fix. You just call somebody and then tell you pay off then 3 years out of it. When you pay off then 3 years out of it, your credit gone up back. Remember, say I live a farm. I there from me at 17. I know if you live. Right now, you not even need credit for go buy one blood clot Benz right now. Just have a piece of money for go put on a car dealership, them sort it out for you. Amount of people will come across the border when on a blood clot credit, a pay rent and do all of it. Go on now. Live on a free life. Just pay the bills them accordingly. So I don't know if you could have make blood clot bills stop me and me have life to live. You see that all around me done, girl? You see that all around me done? Rochelle, just like what Kim King today say, you're talking about mortgage. Me own mortgage. At least me own a home. But you were out here sending your light bill to people. Light bill when me never owe. May I listen, Alia? What's the small question? Light bill you owe. $1,200 light bill you owe. Oh, you have to sit down in the United States of America and owe $1,200 per your light. Remember some me see it? Remember I got it in my phone? Are you over your one can style girl? Girl, go sit the fuck down, girl. There is no fucking way you make your light bill run up to $1,200. And you don't use $1,200 a month because you don't live in our mansion. So that means you have your bill, them a pad up. And guess what now? Them time that the month a ball your ball on TikTok, you made enough money. Mortgage not easy. But I try pay it. I backup bill that. I want no come for me. Me now owe like me say a 2 things me now owe in a foreign. Light and gas. Because it's serious. Especially in the cold time, yeah. You don't want to own a fucking gas bill, bro. And rent. Because people them we put you out a serious time, you know. No, me pay water bill as a landlord. Water bill not there. Cause you know, me no all my water bill set up. Me no pay water bill every month. It come like every 3 months. I must say me a landlord, so I have to pay a sewer bill. How only per bill me have to pay, you know? So I pay important bill. Me not really pay an important bill. Important bills in foreign. Water, light, heat, and rent. Though, what that's something that you wanna buy off, wanna close off and pay weekly. Where name? Klarna not important. All you do with Klarna, if Klarna lock you down and you owe them, you bill the next one and get some other stuff. Can't tell you everything. Yeah, me not pay that. Me buy out Klarna. You only have to keep Klarna after pay because you want to continue buying. But it don't feel good with Klarna after pay. When you get your paycheck, you see all $400 come out because you love clothes too much. That auntie no? Then good for have. Because I did have them. Me not have them no more because I owe all of them. After I get enough clothes and shoes, I just stop paying. Me not have it. Klarna. One of them, I see Klarna over collection one day. I say, I owe them $350. Me I wait till it reach $105. I pay off Klarna and make it go on. Sure. When we get it, me not get enough shoes and clothes out of already. Me not have it right now. Me at Jamaica, my blood clot live. When client bill reach 105 and $95, I'm go pay it. But we can't pay $350 now. And Christmas I gotta come. I don't have it. That's not important. And a light. And a gas. And a food. No, sir. So you couldn't make me pay no bill when I owe. Somebody says survive in America 101. It's the truth. You have to know how to live here. Because let me tell you about motherfucking America. America will just have you paying bills, and you do nothing for yourself. You do nothing for yourself. As you get PR bills, that's why you see the people them would work, live online and buy something. I saw loan them see them money, you know. Them have to buy something. You have to buy your shoes, you have to buy clothes. I saw loan, you know, say you make little money. If you don't buy these things, they just disappear out of your fucking pocket, bro. You know, I'm glad I'm not live a foreign. You know why? Because every time I feel like for shop, I'm going in my closet because I'm not going to get the clothes same time. I'm going in my closet. So I come off foreign, I buy one only per shit and then I carry it home. But if me did there, watch ya. Look how much designer shoes that Jamaica for me and watch ya. Fun and joke aside. What me I do with them there? Louis box. So we are start Valentino box, Louis box, one Nike box, the grey box and one Nike box, Fendi box. Me no know that store there. Then the Gucci I top and watch there. What is this for? Me glad me no blood clot, Livia. I saw me I go end up in a life. I this foreign do Tia. What Tia? No, I'm not own a house in Jamaica. I lived in Jamaica. I leave Jamaica when me I'm 17. I don't know Jamaica system. I'm learning Jamaica system. I don't own any house there. Since I no one know. Me never come over here come tell on anything. Say me own none. I don't own any. But in June time. In June time. I don't want to ask too much question. Come out of my personal life, come and not ask no nothing. Listen to me. Me no know Jamaica system, and I'm trying to figure out Jamaica system. I'd never lived there. I don't know their system, and every time I try to do something in Jamaica, they ask for me American documents. And yeah, you know, yeah, try transition over. It's kind of hard, but I'm still learning about the Jamaica system. I only lived in Jamaica, you see me, March gone make 1 year and continue, but it can live once you figure out how you go survive. I had a plan and I work with it, you know. You might have eye problem. I don't know, but I'm not wearing no glasses. So, listen, everybody can figure out them life or them want to figure it out. If foreign work for you, foreign work for you. If Jamaica work for you, Jamaica work for you. You know, the greatest thing, I am so blessed. I made something of myself. I did something with myself. So, if at any given time, Jamaica is not working out for me, I can always come home and go get any job that I want. It's not every day you can choose a destination that you're comfortable with. Because a lot of people are here and they wish they could go home and just spend a year or 2 years and come back. But I am fortunate and I'm blessed that I can do either. I've been here since I was 17 years old. I worked my ass off. So I made a way and I paved the way for my kids. I did it for my kids. Because if it was up to me, I wouldn't buy a home here. So I bought my kids home. I did what I did for them and I set them up. Paris is in college. Kingston is with his dad. Paris knows a couple years from now she would be managing everything and anything that is with her mom. So I did the kids. I know I'm in Jamaica trying to do me. The only reason I am here is because of Paris. Because Kingston is spending Thanksgiving with his mom, with his dad. And Paris wanted me home for Thanksgiving. That's why I'm home. I just left here maybe last week, I think. And I'm back here because I am a mother. I am a mom. No matter what you all want to take from me, I am a mom. I have to be here for Thanksgiving because she's coming home. So I booked the next flight and I'm here. Anybody want to chat me up on the internet can chat me. That has nothing to do with me. They can't rob me of anything that I am or what I do. So, yeah. No found no know. Oh, one thing I can say, God forbid, if my eyes shut now, my pitney them alright can live out couple years. Them can live out couple years knowing say, mommy did this and mommy said this. So it's mommy's time. So if I want to be a loud person on TikTok, I can. And if I want to become an artist, I can. And if I want to travel the world, I can. I did my time. I did my dues. I worked 2 motherfucking jobs, sometimes 3. And I set this shit for my kids. So now you have to do it for you. You know what I'm saying? So me, I do it for me. I am living my life. And God is so good to me. God is so good to me. Him opened up my eyes to so many things. Because I can tell you this. I am so happy. Now when you look into everything, I always believe in this. And I've said this numerous amount of times. And I'm going to repeat it again. Because a lot of people are here. If you are dating somebody in Jamaica and you want to bring them a foreign, and this is somebody that you love, 2 weeks vacation is not enough. You have to make up your mind and go down there. Spend off 1 2 to 3 months and you pay your motherfucking attention, bitch. You can't say Caan never tell you no. Remember, then say I married you. You only listen to the noise, you know. You don't listen to. Let me tell you something about me. A lot of people over here know me. Shauna, one of them, know me. I just see her name. 2 weeks vacation is not enough for you to know somebody. Hey, girl. Skin out my big goal. Hey, girl. Me no stop blood clot married. Hey, girl. You know what me, girl? Me make for when no frack. Me married a blood clot. So you couldn't get married from me? And the blood clot palm. And the palm she married 12 times. Me not done blood clot yet. I eat me I tell Uno. Every time the boy them want say I do. I know my fans. I'm gonna think about the way the frack and the things them say yeah. You're crazy. I'm gonna get my white blood clot. I'm gonna tell you something. The next redder, cause we not done. The next redder gonna be white flowers. You don't know Shanzi and Nina? Not for them ready, you know. Where do I go? When I go Shanzi party. What name? Escape. When I wear a white dress, I go Escape. You see Escape, they call blood clot reaction. I eat my want at the next redder. I eat. I didn't want to live out my black and white weather. I'm live out with 10. Even though I can't live out it back, because God knows. I didn't want work loud that you ready to go. I didn't look good in that weather dress there. I only read the weather dress that I ever wear, you know. If married, fit girl for married. Me hear Vani had trouble me and say, what did a long time big man married the girl. Vani, nobody now go marry you. Vani, you just have fuck so without a red ring. Vani, nobody's going to put a ring on it. Remember, so me that red, you see, boy, them a kiss and them a do the things, them and them a smile. Go back for my red blood clad picture, them the one who want to know about me. I can't show no all of my radar picture of them. Nobody not married a girl. You know married, you not married pussy. My pussy big and they still want married. But you see, uno say green card. Me not no more. Oh, in next radar. In next radar. No green card. No green card. No green card. No green card. No yellow card. No purple card. No orange card. No blue card. Me just not have no card. So if you feel like say you got to marry me, if you want keep me not have me run out, me do enough, me not have no more. If me could, me would, but me not have no more. Me can maybe find one green that or one vanilla, but the color card them me not have no more. I am sorry. If you become the love of my life and I can't help you, I am sorry. You will get the help somewhere else. Oh, no, apologize to him for me now, please. I am sorry. To the next man. Sorry. I know you're going to love me now, you would, but me sorry. No more left. Oops. But you want to have one in my back, but you know you always have one in your shoes. No. Me give you a last one me have in my shoes what day, yeah. I mean I said, Bumbo clan, me can't, me not no more dog. Visa, me must me not know nobody out there. You can't get a visa. Guys, first of all, me can't do fiancé visa. Them all turn it down. Them all turn down the fiancé visa. Them all turn it down. You know, make no sense. You're not going to marry too much time, man. But you know what? At the end of the day, you know, I love about myself. As a boy, fuck up. And I feel like you reach a stage where you fuck up. I not stand with you. You could have married me 300 times. I could have been a wife 500 times. Once you fuck up, I'm gone. You know what I say, fun and joke aside though, if I never work for me and 10, I don't know what I want. Me say from me and 10, blood clot married. Me and 10 married January and by March, me left it, you know. Me just hate him. I don't know where hate come from. And it's so crazy. It's in a time when he wasn't even doing anything. Me don't know what. No man. 10 not foreign minded, but him a go reach regardless. Me tell him no from morning, say me couldn't help him, and none of the thing I lie me and tell. Who no believe, who no want believe. Yeah man, so no name count the months them. Yeah, January I'm left March.